Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to the Terrace Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make soda fountain or ice cream soda at home. Let's get started. To make some vanilla ice cream, we need 250 ml whipping cream. You may use non-dairy, but I'm using dairy which is unsweetened. I'm using Amul's whipping cream which comes in red and white carton. So next we need to add 2 teaspoon vanilla essence. You may use non-dairy whipping cream if you have it. So give it a good mix. Well, it's not necessary that you make ice cream at home. You can use ready-made vanilla ice cream for this recipe. Next, add 180 gram condensed milk or half of it if you're using non-dairy whipping cream, because non-dairy whipping cream is already sweetened. Next, add half cup milk. The milk should be cold. Gently fold. And our delicious vanilla ice cream mixture is ready. Very simple, right? Transfer it to an airtight container and set in your refrigerator till it sets. It will take 6 to 8 hours. So let it sit in your freezer. Be patient. So once set, you can use it in this recipe. Or you can simply enjoy a scoop of vanilla ice cream with some chocolate syrup before making soda fountain. Well, to make soda fountain, take a glass and pour some syrup. So I'm using Khush syrup. You may use any other syrup that is available to you. Then add some club soda. Give a gentle stir. You can use mango crush, orange syrup, lychee, roux afza, anything. Then add a scoop of vanilla ice cream and then gently pour club soda. Pour a little more till you see a cloud on top of your glass. There you go, as simple as that. Our soda fountain, Khush flavored soda fountain is ready. Stir it a bit and enjoy. Serve it right away. Next, I'm making some orange flavored soda fountain, so add some orange syrup or squash. Stir in the soda. Next, add a scoop of vanilla ice cream and pour club soda. Pour nice chilled club soda right out of your refrigerator. This tastes very much like Coke float that McD used to serve. Like I said, you can make your homemade vanilla ice cream or use store-bought vanilla ice cream in this recipe. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Terrace Kitchen for more such wonderful recipes. Give this recipe a try and enjoy!